Hello, Andy here with Pop Yachts. Today we're ready to go cruising, overnight trips, long weekend trips. We've got a beautiful 2002 Bayliner Ciera. This is the 2855 Sunbridge model. Nice extended swim platform. There's some paddleboard or a kayak rack which mounts up at the bow. Nice storage box at the transom. Very spacious cockpit layout, lots of seating. Adjustable backrest on this L-shaped lounger. So if someone wants to face forward or backwards while underway, we've also got a fold-down footrest for it. Transom bench is removable. All the upholstery is clean, stain and tear free. Safety on deck with the latchable transom door, molded in steps along both gunnels. If you've got some side dock access you need. Comfortable snap-on cockpit carpet. Some storage underneath the captain's seat here. Helm's laid out beautifully. We've got a tilt steering wheel, smooth throttles and shifters, your trim tab controls right along this side. VHF radio by Raytheon, all your accessory switches right within reach. The remote for the stereo system, which is down below. Nice clear gauges. Brand new Garmin all color touchscreen. Chart plotter, fish finder, really neat 360 view. You've got your clear view action as well as side view. You can adjust the range out over to the side, and of course some combination screens if you like different setups. See the window for the mid cabin, molded in steps go up to the bow. You've got a walk-through windshield, easy access to the forward sun pad. There's also an anchor windlass up there too. Lockable cabin door. Nice wide beam, carries forward. Forward V-berth. Dinette table, seats 4 comfortably. It also drops down, turns into a bed. Onboard head is to starboard with a hot and cold water shower. Good amount of headroom. Got a Dynex flat screen TV. All new upholstery outside and inside. Sleek mocha color. Honey and maple is the technical term. Some storage underneath the table. You got your Origo refrigeration with a little freezer area too. Nice and cold beverages. Clean carpet inside. Galley has a beautiful layout. Storage back behind here. Kenwood stereo system. AC is running off of shore power right now. Very cold. Hot and cold water sink. 2-burner. Alcohol or electric Origo. This is the 4300E. Stovetop. And a Samsung microwave. Another little seat, plenty of storage underneath the kitchen counter too. Digital thermostat, lots of sleeping space in the forward V-berth. Oh, the headliner looks good. I don't see any sagging anywhere. You've got recessed lighting and some ceiling vents too, as well as side window hatches. Let's go ahead and open up the engine compartment, take a look at the motor. The access around the Mercruiser 350 Mag MPI. You've got all digital ignition, exhaust risers and manifolds, as well as all the gaskets look good. Belts and pulleys too. Battery bank and charger over to port, as well as the hot water heater.